First investors in Amazon and self-made billionaire Nick Hanauer warns against the rise of inequality. He suggests raising taxes on all income above, I think, $2 million a year. He wants to raise the minimum wage as well. He joins us now. We've had a couple of fights in the past, and we'll see what happens now. Nick, welcome to the program.
Thank you so much.
Let's get it clear now. If somebody makes more than $2 million a year from any source, whether it's capital gains or on-the-books income, you want to raise the tax rate on that person. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, right. So, at the moment, I am paying... I mean, talk about me. I'm a striver.
It's all about you, me.
Yes, it is. Because I arrived in this country with absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
And I've worked... I'm 66 years old, and I've worked my way up to a very nice income, thank you very much. And I am paying 53 cents on every dollar that I earn in income taxes to the federal and state governments. 53 cents.
Yeah.
Government is taking more than half my income, and I'm a striver. And you're going to take some more?
No. Well...
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. All I'm saying is that for very, very rich people...
Not all you're saying.
Yeah.
You're saying you're going to raise income tax rates on well-paid people. That means me.
Up to the 39% rate. All I'm saying is that if you earn $200 million a year...
Wait.
Stuart, all I am saying, you asked me to... Do you want me to talk?
Go.
Okay. All I am saying is a guy that makes $200 million a year should pay taxes at the same rate that somebody who makes $200,000 a year.
And you would
That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And my tax rate, Stuart, is half of yours.
You would raise tax rates?
No. I would raise tax rates on capital gains and dividend income up to the rate that you are currently paying. That's all I'm saying.
Would you raise income tax rates?
No, I would not.
You would not?
I think the tax rate that you are currently
paying... Tax capital more?
Yes. All I'm saying is that...
If you tax something more, you get less of it.
That is nonsense. That is nonsense. That is nonsense, Stuart, and you know it.
I do not know.
I just want
tax anything.
That is
take it
absolute
off me, give it to the government, and you get less of it.
That is absolute nonsense, Stuart. If you tax rich people more, you will get more revenue, and if you have more revenue, you have money you can invest in the middle class.
What?
And that's the source. That is the source of growth and prosperity in our country.
Take it off rich people, give it to the government, and the government will use it better than rich people.
Stuart,
is that right?
Absolutely, Stuart.
Really?
Stuart, you believe, and many of your viewers believe, that the source of growth and prosperity in capitalist economy is the bank accounts of rich people, and that is not true.
I do not believe that. Don't put words in my mouth.
It is the dynamic interplay of sellers and buyers. Look, Stuart, I do not yearn to pay more tax. I am not some martyr. I've done the math, and the simple facts are that we cannot build a fast-growing, prosperous economy if wealthy people don't pay their fair share. And people like me, you may be, but people like me are not presently doing that.
Point number one. The government does not use revenue effectively or efficiently. Point number two.
So then move to Somalia where they don't have a government.
Point number two, it is immoral.
It is not immoral. It is not immoral.
It is immoral for any government to take more than half of a person's income.
It is immoral for people like me who have benefited from a multi-generational legacy of sacrifice in our country not to pay their fair share. Why should I, who make 10 or 20 times as much per year as you do, pay half the rate that you do? Right?
Why is it fair for me to pay more than 53%?
Forget fair.
You just
we're trying to build a fast-growing economy, and a fast-growing economy is a consequence of including more and more people in it, both as customers and entrepreneurs.
You know how you got a fast-growing economy in the 1980s? Tax cuts.
That's bull. That is bull. That is bull. Well, we have the lowest tax rates in the history of the country right now, at least in the last 100 years, Stuart.
Rubbish.
And the economy is in the toilet.
Factually wrong.
It is not true.
43% is the top income tax rate in this country. Back in Ronald Reagan's day,
but not for people who make big money. For people who make big money, it's 20% or 15%.
Why is it right for any government to take more than half of a person's income?
Because because the value that you get from that is a faster growing economy. Look, it doesn't look. I could move to Somalia, Stuart. Stuart, I could move to Somalia and pay zero in tax, but there's no opportunity to create wealth. We want to have an economy that grows fast, and the only way you can do that is if people have money. Ordinary people, the people who are watching this program. And if they have no money, people like me have no opportunity. That's the point.
Wait. You think that if you take more off rich people, the government takes it and gives it away?
Slightly higher taxes
give a higher growth rate?
It's a tiny piece.
It does not.
It absolutely does. If I pay more and they pay less, it relieves the tax burden from them.
Taxes
and makes
have gone up
us
for the last 5 years. And
not on middle class
growth.
people. Not on middle class people.
Taxes have gone up on wealthy people for the last 5 years, and we've got 2% growth. When Ronald Reagan
and that's because
on everybody, we got a growing economy.
And that's because middle-class people have no money to spend anymore, and that's because people like me are getting all the value out of it.
I tell you what, Nick, you do me a favour.
All right.
Keep your damn hands out of my way, okay? And I'll be a happy guy. Nick Hanauer, everybody.
Stuart, I am coming for you.
Really? All right, Nick, it was a pleasure. Keep your money, please.
No.
Don't give it to the damn government.
I am coming for you, Stuart.
Really? All right. House Republicans.